It is very important to understand and to be as elaborate as possible and to preempt, not to preempt, but to know, to know in advance that there's a word I'm looking for. The supplementary questions that will come to the chairman. At the same time, when I am asked to answer the questions, I also need properly researched and accurate data to report to the issues. By this time next year, things will be completely different. Most of us in the political arena will not actually be doing the jobs that we are currently doing. It is important for us to be alive to this. So the calendar for the legislative calendar ends for us in December. If we do not have anything, if we want things passed by Parliament, this session of Parliament, and we don't have it ready by December, it is not going to happen. So it is critical, and this is where I want to make a special appeal to our committee members to please support the bills that we have got there, the regulations that we have got there, the amendments that we have got there. We have to get them done between now and December. Otherwise, beyond that one, then you are stuck, and you have to start all over again in the year 2028.